Okay. Okay. We're in session, back in session in the County Court at Law Number 2, Jefferson County, Texas. Announcement documents are scheduled at 9 a.m. on today's date of September 22nd of 2021. We're in session in cause number 294-650 and cause number 294-652. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus James Chester Bellette. Mr. Bellette was scheduled to be in court this morning for the announcement docket at 9 a.m. At or about 9 a.m., Mr. Bellette's name was called by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Mr. Bellette did not answer. Mr. Bellette has not been in court since the court has been in session since 9 a.m. The time now is 11:32 a.m. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of James Bellette? James Bellette's name was just called again by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Mr. Bellette did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Bellette an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
The state will move for wrongful forfeiture, Your Honor.
That motion will be granted in both cases, cause number 294-650 and cause number 294-652. The warrant shall be issued for his arrest and his bond will be forfeited. We're in session in cause number 328158. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Aaron Brennan Lee. Aaron Lee was scheduled to be in court this morning for the court's announcement docket at 9 a.m. And Mr. Lee's name was called at or about 9 a.m. by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Mr. Lee did not answer. Mr. Lee has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 11:34 a.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Aaron Lee? Okay, Aaron Lee's name was just called by the court's bailiff, and Mr. Lee did not answer when his name was called by the court's bailiff at a courthouse door. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Lee an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. And state, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor. The state would request wrongful forfeiture at this time.
That motion will be granted in cause number 328158. Mr. Lee's bond will be forfeited and the warrant shall be issued for the rest, and that will conclude the calling of the announcement docket in County Court at Law Number 2. Judge Terrence Holmes presiding. Okay.